Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this cute little number block. Hello, super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color number block 1. Just one block, but so special. Get your pencils ready. Let's go. Let's start drawing. First, draw a square rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. Just one square. That's all we need. Our main body is ready. Now, the most special part, the eye. Number block 1 has one giant eye. So cute. Draw one big circle for the eye outline. Big and round, perfect. And inside that, add the eye detail, the pupil. Now draw a smiling mouth. Number block 1 is always so happy. What a beautiful smile. Now let's draw the hands. Left hand, right here, and right hand, right there. Now draw the legs at the bottom. 1, 2 little legs. Write the number 1. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am number block 1. Coloring time.
Drawing makes us smile wide. Coloring.
First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eye pupil black, and inside the mouth, black.
4 and 5 in line. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine.
Perfect. Now pick up dark maroon. Spell dark maroon, D-A-R-K-M-A-R-O-O-N, dark maroon. Color the eye outline, dark maroon. Color the smile, dark maroon. Looking great. Color the hands, dark maroon. And the legs, dark maroon.
Coloring softly, take your time and stay in groove. When we draw the number blocks, every block begins to move. Learning numbers while we color is the best way to
Deep and rich. And now, the final color. Pick up red, bright, beautiful red. Spell red, R-E-D, red. Color the whole body red. Fill every corner beautifully. Red, red, red.
Now we smile, look how nice our work became. Every number block we colored is unique and not the same. We can draw again tomorrow, we can color every day. Number blocks will always join us as we learn and as we play. Number blocks drawing, number blocks art, color and counting, working in heart. Drawing and coloring, learning is fun. Every new number is number 1.
And done! Amazing job, super learners! You are a superstar artist.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.